Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Coleman Rolling Cooler is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, whether you're heading to a backyard barbecue, a day at the beach, or a weekend camping trip, offering a convenient and efficient way to keep your food and drinks refreshingly cold for extended periods, ensuring that your provisions remain at the perfect temperature no matter how far you roam. Number 5. Cooler Shock Reusable Ice Packs. Experience ice-cold refreshment that lasts all day. These packs keep your favorite foods and drinks perfectly chilled, even in the heat. Getting them ready is a breeze. Just add water once with the included funnel, give it a shake, and freeze until you're ready to go. Don't let their size fool you. These durable, reinforced packs are perfectly sized for lunch boxes and versatile enough for any cooler. Ensure your meals stay safely cold for hours. They're ideal for lunches at work, school, or any outdoor adventure. Planning a getaway. These are essential for any outdoor enthusiast. Give the gift of reliable cold for their next adventure. What we like. These are incredibly cold and easy to use. If you need a compact solution for lunch boxes or smaller coolers, these are perfect. They are ideal for keeping individual meals or drinks chilled for work, school, or short outings. What people say. These ice packs keep everything ice cold for over 12 hours, which honestly impressed me. The packs are very slim and space-saving, which I love. Overall, no issues at all with the lunch-size pack of 5. Durable, convenient, and definitely way better than ice, and other non-ice solutions we have used. Number 4. TOURIT Cooler Backpack 30 Cans Lightweight Insulated. Never worry about spills again. Our high-density insulation and leak-proof liner keep your food hot or cold for up to 16 hours, ensuring no leaks. This backpack offers ample space for all your essentials. It can comfortably hold up to 28 cans, perfect for any outing. Stay organized with its smart design. It features a main compartment, side mesh pockets, front zipper pockets, and even a pocket on the lid. Crafted from waterproof and durable fabric, it's incredibly light. This makes it ideal for work, picnics, or any outdoor adventure. Beyond its cooling capabilities, it doubles as a stylish lunch or daily pack. It's perfect for lunches, work, or travel. This versatile and practical backpack makes an excellent gift for both men and women. It's the ideal companion for any journey. What we like. This backpack offers excellent insulation and is leak-proof. If you're looking for a convenient, hands-free option for day trips, picnics, or hikes, this is a great choice. It's perfect for keeping your food and drinks cold for up to 16 hours. What people say. This is the first backpack cooler I've owned that doesn't leave water everywhere. Even with ice inside, it stays dry on the outside and keeps everything contained. It does a great job keeping drinks and food cold for hours. Perfect for long days when you want everything to stay chilled. No loose strings, no leaking. Actually, I have to clean it pretty regularly because I'm really bad about cleaning out my coffee cup before throwing it in. On that bite, it's stupid easy to clean. Wet one or Lysol wipe to the interior usually does the trick. Number 3. Best Choice Products 80-Quart Rolling Cooler Cart. Take your refreshments anywhere with this mobile cooler. Its sturdy steel stand and 4 wheels allow for easy transport, while the locking casters ensure it stays put. This cooler boasts an impressive 80-quart capacity. It can hold up to 50 bottles or 70 cans, ensuring you have plenty of space for all your beverages and food. Keep your essentials within reach. The integrated storage shelf is perfect for drinks, mixers, or any other accessories you might need. Effortlessly serve your guests with the built-in bottle opener and disposal bin. It transforms this cooler into a convenient spot for all your drinks. Cleaning up after your event is a breeze thanks to the convenient drainage system. Easily drain melted ice and refill with fresh ice to keep everything cool. Crafted with a durable steel frame and a sleek finish, this cooler is built to last and designed to impress at any outdoor gathering. What we like. This is a massive cooler on wheels, perfect for parties or large gatherings. If you need to keep a lot of drinks and food cold for an extended period and want easy mobility, this is the one. It's ideal for backyard BBQs, tailgating, or any event where you're serving a crowd. What people say. It seems sturdy. The color is accurate, soft green. Kept items cold and ice was still plenty at the end of the night. The materials I unpacked were nice and solid. Nothing was skimped on, and assembly was very straightforward. It probably took me about 20 to 25 minutes to put it together. It's basically 2 sets of legs on each end, a tray, 4 wheels, the handles for the cooler, a bottle opener, and a bin for the bottle tops to land in. 24 small bolts. It's an easy assemble. Number 2. Coleman 42 can Soft Rolling Cooler. Introducing the Coleman 42 can Soft Rolling Cooler. It's designed for ultimate portability and convenience, making it your perfect companion for any adventure. With its telescoping handle and durable wheels, moving this cooler from your car to your campsite is a breeze. No more struggling with heavy loads. Feel good about your choice. The exterior fabric is made from recycled polyester fibers, offering an eco-friendly option for your outdoor needs. Keep your drinks refreshingly cold for over 12 hours thanks to its TempLock insulation. Enjoy icy beverages all day long, no matter the temperature outside. Worry less about spills. This cooler is engineered with welded seams to prevent any leaks, ensuring a mess-free experience. Maintenance is simple with its removable hard plastic liner. Cleaning up after your outing is quick and effortless. Stay organized with handy storage options. It features zippered front and inside mesh pockets, perfect for keeping ice packs and other essentials within reach. What we like. This cooler is eco-friendly and designed for portability with wheels and a telescoping handle. If you prioritize sustainability and need reliable, long-lasting cold for your beverages and snacks on the go, this is an excellent option. It's great for camping, road trips, and beach days. What people say. It is the perfect size, and is very well insulated. We packed frozen meat surrounded by foam ice packs and flew from Charlotte, NC to Maui, Hawaii, plus 12 hours, and everything was still hard frozen. Rolls to the car or wherever and has a strong plastic inner bin to prevent water dripping. This cooler is lightweight and sturdy. I like the hard shell insert that comes with it. It allows you to remove it, but it's a nice addition. It also has handles on each side that make it easy to lift into a trunk or back seat. Number 1. Odoland 72 can Rolling Cooler Bag. Introducing the Odoland 72 can Rolling Cooler Bag. It's designed for ultimate convenience and versatility for all your outdoor adventures. This innovative cooler trolley offers 3 functions in one. The detachable bag works as a standalone cooler, while the frame can be used as a hand truck. Keep your drinks and food icy cold for up to 16 hours. It can hold up to 72 cans and features extra storage pockets and an elastic rope for securing items. Its exterior is made from durable, leak-proof fabric. Advanced hot pressing technology ensures superior insulation performance, keeping contents cool for longer. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wipe away interior spills with soap and water, then air dry to maintain its insulation. Whether it's camping, road trips, or grocery runs, this cooler on wheels is your reliable companion for keeping everything cool and easy to transport. What we like. This cooler offers incredible versatility with its 3-in-1 design and large capacity. If you need a cooler that can adapt to different needs, from a large rolling cooler to a standalone bag or even a hand truck, this is it. It's perfect for camping, tailgating, and any outdoor event where flexibility is key. What people say. Holds a lot for its seemingly small size and keeps things cold for at least several hours, is fairly lightweight. This cooler held up great on our week-long trip that included plane and car travel. It was easy to assemble. It had large capacity to carry food and drinks along with ice. We put ice in resealable bags daily and there was no leakage. Items stayed cold and there was still a good portion of ice left at the end of the day despite being in the trunk all day in high temps. The wheel carrier was sturdy and made transporting the cooler easy. It even fit in the overhead bin on the plane. I love the smaller piece on top for plates, cutlery, napkins or chips, fruit roll-ups, etc. So many pockets to hold things. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.